we are going to start making the saving system. So what we are going to be using something called player Prefs, and we're gonna be saving only the high score. So first we want to open the score script, and it's pretty easy to do. All we gotta do is I'm gonna do on enable here, and then on disable. Hold on. Sorry. Okay. So on disable, so when the game, when we are going back from the main menu, we want to save the score, right? So we're gonna player pref dot set in, because we are going to save an integer, and it asks for a key, so maybe high score, and then over here is the value, which is high score. And on enable, we are going to check first if player press has key high score, meaning it will check if we already have a score saved or not. And if we do, we are going to assign to high score player pref dot get in high score. And that's about it. Now let's see. So if we play, right now our high score is 43, right? Now if we stop the game and we go back in again, our score is still there. Ta-da! Very simple. Actually, we can also do it here. Private void on application quit. In case the game got interrupted or something, and then or if you want to be very precise kind of thing, I just put the player set int when we have a high score. So if you play the game, and if we just stop it right there, it should still work. There you go. And that is how you make a saving system. Now player pref is the simplest one I can think of, and the easiest one. It does work, but the downside is you can't really access it from outside the game, as far as I know. That is, so it can't be backed up. So, but for this kind of simple game, that should be enough, right? Anyway, that's it for this tutorial. We have as for the next tutorial, well, we have a main menu. We can quit, we can play the game. The game restarts itself when the player dies, and we even have the high score, and we can save the high score. I think it's about time to actually build the game, because just in preparation for the build, by the way, go to File, Build Settings. We are going to build it for Android. So select Android. You should see here Switch Platform. Now we are going to click that and have the the project switch to Android. It will take some time, so I'm doing it now. Anyway, that's it for this video then. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like and subscribe if you like it. And see you next time. Bye bye.